Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruity pap. First, gather your essential ingredients. About 1 cup of corn flour, 4 cups of water, and your favorite fresh fruits. Make sure your chosen fruits are ripe and thoroughly washed. Next, prepare a smooth corn flour paste by mixing the corn flour with 1 cup of cold water, ensuring there are no lumps for a perfect base. Now, let's cook the pap base. Bring about 3 cups of water to a rolling boil in a saucepan over medium heat. Slowly pour the prepared corn flour paste into the boiling water. Stir continuously with a whisk or spoon to prevent lumps from forming. Continue cooking for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens into a smooth, consistent pap. Next, we prepare the fruits. Choose soft, ripe fruits like bananas, mangoes, or berries for the best texture and flavor. Peel and chop your selected fruits into small, manageable pieces. You can then blend these into a smooth puree or mash them thoroughly with a fork. Gently fold this delicious fruit puree into your warm, cooked pap base, mixing until well combined. Finally, let's sweeten and serve your fruity pap. You can add natural sweeteners such as 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, maple syrup, or a small pinch of sugar to taste. Stir the sweetener thoroughly until it is completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the pap. Serve your delightful fruity pap warm for a comforting meal or chill it for a refreshing treat. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.